Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can download Call of Duty Warzone 2 for free on your laptop and your PC. Let's get right into it. Now to start the process, you'll have to type in callofduty.com on your search bar and hit enter. Now when you are at this page, you will see that you are able to download this on PlayStation, Xbox, Battle.net and Steam. And I will head over here and select Steam. If you already don't have Steam, I would suggest you to install Steam up here, and you will have to do the necessary sign up again. But as I've already had a Steam account, I will just download it from here and press play game. And then it asks you, do you have Steam on your PC or no? And since I have my Steam, I will say yes, Steam is installed, play this game now, and open Steam. And there you go. As you can see, it requests for your permission to download the game, and I will click next. And if you head over to your Steam, you will see that Call of Duty is downloading right here. And after the download, you will be able to play the game. And if this video has been helpful for you, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.